drop tonight.
So guys, here we are. What we're going to do is we're going to fit a console unit with two USBs, voltage meter and another cigarette lighter socket. This is due to the fact of all the things that you need to plug into a vehicle these days, your sat nav, your phones and anything else, dash cams, things like that. I mean, at the moment this is an L200, Mitsubishi L200 and there's one cigarette lighter socket in it, and me doing all the gigs that I do, my phones and everything need charging up. I use the sat nav quite a bit and I do have a dash cam because of all the idiots that are on the road these days. So yeah, we're going to fit this in to this console here down at the bottom, which is a place that I don't really use much, and should be quite simple hopefully. I've got a piece of perspex here to fill the hole in, but this console just simply pulls out in theory like so. So there you go, there's the console, and it is only screwed on the back like that, so there's a couple of screws to come out there. Once all that is out, I will be marking round that with the perspex to make the panel that needs to go in, and then I'll be fitting that to the panel. So yeah, this should be a nice little project to do. So here we are, this is the perspex, this is black perspex. Now what I suggest you do is leave the the film that's on it, because it's white and you can see the marks on it for cutting out, also you don't get the perspex scratched. So there's the unit that's going in, we won't need that for now. Here's the console part. So what we'll do is unscrew this first. There's just simply two screws in there. That comes off like so, and then you're left with a decent template. So obviously that is there, so we just need an outline of this, which is the insert that will be going in to the box. Nice permanent marker. Simply draw around it. Here we are, using an electric jigsaw. It has got a fine scrolling blade in it which will cut through his perspex, no worries. So and there we have the insert. Simple, easy. If you don't have a jigsaw, just use a coping saw, you should be able to get one somewhere. That will fit on there like so. And there you go. This is the panel that will be going in there to fill all the spaces. When that is in there, there'll be gaps, so that will go in there like that. Obviously the other way around, as you can see, that perspex will now fill the spaces that we need to fill. So we're going to mark round that now. Obviously you wouldn't cut this line out, because otherwise the console part of it will just slide through, so it needs to come onto the inside of that Now there's 4 screw holes, so I suggest you just leave a mark there by poking the pen through. Just leave a little dot where the screw holes need to be, and that will give you an idea of where they are. So what you do is you just leave a line like that and come in a little bit around the edges, because at the back here is these little nuts, so there's just about 3mm either side, so it needs to be really close to that edge. You need quite a bit at the ends so that the screws will catch and fix it in place. This can be done freehand, you can measure it out if you like. A nice little joiner's tip here. If you ever need to draw a line, you use the edge and your finger. So the finger, that one, is on the edge of the side there, and you hold the pen still and just draw a line like so. That gives you more or less where you need to be. Drill clean as well, because it does tend to twist it up a bit. And there we go, it's the 4 corners drilled out. Once again, use your jigsaw. So there we go, put it all together now, as you can see, screwed in at the back, and obviously it's all cut out. These are the screws that they supplied with the console, so from the front they are screwed in. It's a good idea to drill the holes first into the perspex before you start screwing, because you will crack the perspex. But yeah, that is what it's going to be like in the car. We just need to wire it up now, so here we go. So here we are, we've got the console ready to go in, as you can see, and wired it all up. It came with connectors, so I've reused all them, and the brown one is the positive. So what we're going to do is strip that back like so. I've undone the existing cigarette lighter thing there, which is just here. It's just by the ashtray, and the best way of doing it is to solder these on, otherwise you end up with some crap connections and constantly taking something out. So we're just going to solder this on here. That's got it. Just let that cool down for a minute, and then just wrap it up with insulation tape to keep it protected. Yeah, that's fine now, like so. The second wire will just be earthed to the body down here. You can't quite see that, but there's a little screw ready to be screwed in just at the bottom there, which is making contact with the body of the vehicle, and therefore it will work, hopefully. So there we have The USBs, the voltage and the new cigarette lighter fully installed, and we just need to try it. There we go. Voltage lighting up. USB port lighting up. So there you go. Just proving, and not just a DJ, I can actually do bits and pieces like this as well. And I hope you like the video. I hope you have a look at all the other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos. Thanks for watching.